In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync audio and video in DaVinci Resolve. If you've recorded video on your camera and cleaner audio on an external recorder or microphone, this workflow will line them up quickly and accurately so your footage looks and sounds professional. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app and loading your project or creating a new one. It helps to know where your media lives on your drive and to keep your files organized in clearly named folders so you can find them fast. Consistent sample rates like 48 kHz for audio also prevent subtle drift later. Next, bring your media into the media pool. Import the video file from your camera and the separate high-quality audio file from your recorder. You can drag them in from your file browser or use the import command inside Resolve. A quick check here saves time. Confirm the video's frame rate matches your timeline settings and that the audio file plays cleanly without distortion or unwanted noise. Now move to the timeline. Drag the video clip onto a video track, then drag the high-quality audio clip onto an audio track beneath it. You'll also see the camera's scratch audio embedded in the video. Leave it for now, since Resolve will use those waveforms to match everything up. If the clips are very long, zoom in a bit so you can see the waveform detail more clearly. Select both the video and the external audio clips at the same time. You can click one, then hold Shift and click the other. Right-click on the selection and choose Auto Align Clips, then select based on waveform. This tells Resolve to compare the shape of the sound in each clip, the peaks and valleys from speech and claps, and calculate the correct offset. Resolve will analyze the waveforms and align them automatically. You may see a brief progress indicator. When it's done, the external audio should shift so that transients like claps and consonants line up with the camera's waveform. Scrub the playhead across a few spots and watch the lips and waveform peaks to confirm the match. If you hear flanging or an echo, that means the tracks aren't perfectly aligned yet. Hang tight for the final confirm. To finalize, click on Sync. This confirms the alignment and locks in the timing so playback stays in step. At this point, you can listen to a short section to confirm tight lip sync. If everything sounds good, you're ready to continue editing with clean audio. A quick tip: once you're confident, mute or lower the camera's scratch track to avoid doubling and keep the external track as your primary source.